Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can turn on notifications on Android phone. So to start, if you're not getting the app notifications that you are supposed to, check if your device is in the Do Not Disturb mode by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar to launch the control panel, unfolding the full list of controls, and here look for the Do Not Disturb mode tile or shortcut. Make sure that it is switched off. Then what you can also do is to launch your device's settings, then find the app notifications, preferences, so here they are. Then select turned off, so you'll see all the apps that are installed on your device. And if you would like to receive notifications from, said app, and you're not getting them, make sure to enable toggle in front of the app in question. And that's how you enable notifications in Android. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.